Alright, there's my crabs. I'm the only one's going to eat, guys, so I cook only a little bit. Last time I cooked a lot and I did not eat it all, and a lot of shrimp also. That is in Thanksgiving. That's in Thanksgiving. I cook a lot of shrimps, big shrimps too, from Sam's, and also a lot of 2 bags of crabs, and with my sister share, but we did not eat it all. We still have a lot, and stay in the refrigerator, and my husband don't like it and he throw it because he said no good if stay there for a week, so he throw it. And now I cook a little bit for me, just me. They don't want to eat, so. And that's the beans, see, and we still have the turkey, I mean not turkey, the ham over there, and the 2 pies over there, over here, see. That one there's empty. We just have, we use the oven, so we have to take that one out. Yeah. Right. That's all we have. Thank you, Lord, for the food.
God bless everyone.
Merry Christmas. And
Merry Christmas.
and there is a 3 kids in there. For
Michelle's 3 kids, and 1 kid's got gas back.
Why? Who?
He's not smiling, he is
I'm
sleeping.
the only one's gonna eat that. And my rice is
How you
over
was when you
there.
had gas. Remember, huh? She always be smiling when she had the gas.
That's all we have, guys.
You had to. I heard it click off.
No? Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, Lord. Ma Mary, baby Jesus, and your son, Rocky, and your son. Say, Merry Christmas! Our food is ready. That's all. That's the traditional. We have the ham and my crab there, my rice. The beans, and there's cheese. And that's what we have. And with these 3 kids, they're smiling. The other one's sleeping. The other one's so mad. Yeah, okay, bye.
Because I want to eat it.
Sleeping and smiling.
Take your next